Hello. So here's the update on the EFI kit. Um, this is my engine, the engine in my car, and you can see the old supercharger setup for my car. So here's the status on the EFI kit. So on the supercharger drive pulley or crank pulley that drives the supercharger, on the back of it there's a mounting space for the trigger wheel. The crank position sensor will be fitted using this bracket, and we'll read the trigger wheel, which is, like I said, sitting on the back of the custom crank pulley. Then the TPS. So right now, just in 3D printed form, the TPS will be mounted on that adapter, which will sit on this throttle body, which is something you can find more or less everywhere. It's an Audi A6 throttle body. It's pretty similar to the upgraded throttle body that I recommended previously. So crank sensor, TPS sensor, intake air temperature sensor will be here in the place of the fifth injector. And yeah, this is the new, or this is the prototype. It's just a dummy, but you will replace the metering head on your injection with this custom piece, CNC milled. This will act as a fuel rail. You can obviously see that there's a quite big difference from the original here. Here will be a regulator, a pressure regulator. So you just remove the old part with these 3 screws, put this in, put reconnect all the fuel connections. They are already in place. You just bolt off, bolt on, and then you use the same fuel lines, the original fuel lines, to get to the modern injectors, which are sitting in custom sockets, and they have custom heads and brackets, custom brackets to hold them in place. And yeah, you basically, if you have a supercharged setup already, you just mount this on the back of your pulley. You mount the throttle body, the temperature sensor in the back, the injectors, this. You connect the wiring loom. Oh, and the coil pack will be replacing the distributor. So there's also a part here which will replace the distributor with a plate, and the coil pack sits there. So you just bolt these things on and you're ready to start.